Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the quotient rule to find the derivative of functions, and I'm going to walk you through 3 examples involving trig functions. Looking at part A, we've got y is equal to sine x over x. Now whenever you need to use the quotient rule to derive functions, it's best to start with the quotient rule formula, and that is dy dx is equal to vu dash minus uv dash over v squared. And so what we do is we let u equal the top function and v the bottom function. And so for part A, we're going to let u equal sine of x. Deriving this, u dash is going to be cos of x. V is going to equal x. Deriving this is going to be 1. From here, we sub these into the formula to work out dy dx. And so dy dx is going to be v times u dash, which is going to be x times cos of x, and then minus u times v dash, and so this is just going to be minus sine of x, all over v squared, which is going to be x squared. We can't simplify any further, and so this is going to be the rule for dy dx. Part B, y is equal to 2x on cos x. And so we let u equal 2x and v equal cos x. And so u is equal to 2x, deriving this u dash is going to be 2. V is equal to cos of x, and so v dash is going to be minus sine of x. Subbing these into the formula, we're going to get dy dx is equal to v times u dash, and we can write this as 2 times cos of x, and then minus u times v dash, and so this is going to be plus, and then 2x sine of x, all over v squared, which is going to be cos of x all squared. Simplifying this, we can take out 2 as a common factor from the numerator, and so we can write this as 2 times cos of x, and then plus x times sine of x, all over, and we write the denominator as cos squared of x. Part C, y is equal to tan of 2x over e to the x. And so we're going to let u equal the top function and v equal the bottom function. And so u is going to be the tan of 2x. And so deriving this, we're going to get the derivative of what's inside the brackets, which is 2, and then the tan will become sec squared, and then we write 2x. V is going to be the bottom function, e to the x. Deriving this, we're going to get e to the x. Subbing these into the formula, we're going to get dy dx is equal to v times u dash, which we can write as 2 times e to the x times sec squared of 2x, minus u times v dash, and we can write this as minus e to the x times tan of 2x, all over v squared, which is going to be e to the x to the power of 2, which is e to the 2x. We can take out e to the x as a common factor from the numerator, and so we can write this as e to the x times 2 times sec squared of 2x minus the tan of 2x, all over e to the 2x. The e to the x will cancel out, and this will just be e to the x on the denominator. And generally, when you have a sec squared function and a tan function together, what you need to do is simplify it to its basic form using sine and cosine. We know that sec squared x is the same as 1 on cos squared x, and so we can write this as this is equal to 2 times 1 on cos squared of 2x, and then minus, and we know that tan is equal to sine over cos, and so this is going to be sine of 2x over cos of 2x, all over e to the x. On the numerator, we now have 2 fractions. To simplify this, we need to combine these fractions by making the second fraction having the same denominator as the first, which is cos squared 2x. And to do this, we need to multiply the second fraction by cos of 2x over cos of 2x. And so this is going to become 2 over cos squared of 2x, and then minus sine of 2x times cos of 2x over cos squared of 2x, and this is going to be all over e to the x. And so simplifying this is equal to 2 minus sine of 2x times cos of 2x all over, and we can bring down cos squared of 2x to the denominator, and so this will be e to the x times cos squared of 2x. Which brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then click on the like button or comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you're studying Maths Methods, then log into the Maths Methods Club, where you can group exam questions related to the quotient rule and see if you can answer those questions. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.